Welcome to the ABI Snapshot, where we spotlight critical findings and the latest research from our global team of analysts. In this snapshot, we're speaking with Andrew Spivey, industry analyst at ABI Research. Andrew will answer key questions about his report on next-generation industrial wireless LAN and OT environments. Welcome, Andrew.
Hi, Deb. Thanks for having me.
Pleasure. So the headline from your report is that industrial wireless LAN access points will rise 59% by 2028. What's driving that growth?
Yeah, it's a phenomenal level of growth, right? There's several key factors underpinning this expansion, including the releasing of additional unlicensed spectrum, the authorization of standard power 6 GHz, and of course the arrival of Wi-Fi 7. Together, these technologies will unleash a new era of industrial 802.11, enabling the technology to finally satisfy those low latency, high throughput requirements of mission critical OT applications. OT stands for operational technology, by the way, and is basically referring to industrial environments as opposed to the enterprise environments that traditional IT serves. ABI Research is forecasting that global deployments leveraging the newly available standard power 6 GHz APs will multiply almost six-fold between 2024 and 2028, from just over 52,000 to more than 0.3 million. AFC systems will facilitate this rollout.
What are AFC systems?
AFC is an acronym for Automated Frequency Control. And it is basically a database lookup system which will ensure that the standard power 6 GHz transmissions from wireless LAN equipment won't interfere with incumbents in the band. We call it standard power, but we really should say higher power, as the 36 decibel milliwatt transmissions are significantly higher than the current low power transmissions available today. AFC systems are going to be especially vital for industrial environments, not only because mission-critical applications demand the higher power 36 dBm transmissions, but also because they will permit the finely tuned external antennas that OT requires for optimal operation and the avoidance of interference hazards.
What kind of use cases will these more advanced industrial wireless LAN APs enable?
Yeah, so the most eye-catching examples are emerging use cases like automated guided vehicles and autonomous mobile robots. But these next-generation high-performance wireless LAN APs will also be significant in that they will also enable machines that have traditionally relied on Ethernet to finally transition to wireless 802.11. This will help to reduce network installation costs, operational complexity, maintenance requirements, and also the physical footprint. During our research, we also identified that it is the industrial manufacturing and logistics verticals which are the most desperate for the additional capacity of 6 GHz. And so these will be the first OT sectors to adopt 6 GHz compatible equipment.
Your research also found that industry business models are transforming as OT clients prefer network as a service solutions. Why is that?
Yeah, so we found that NAS models are being increasingly favored over outright ownership because they offer a reduced financial risk, rapid deployment, greater scalability, and they also negate the need to expand headcounts or train new staff on the complex equipment. The core drivers of this interest are greater short-term financial pressures, labor shortages, and the fact that the ecosystem has now developed sufficiently to support these offerings. Part of this development is advancements in industrial network management systems, which enable the centralized remote management of dispersed networks powered by AI automation.
Do you have any recommendations for ecosystem vendors?
Yes, we certainly do. One I'd like to share today is that strategic partnerships across the entire value chain, from the system integrators delivering NAS solutions to the AFC system operators enabling standard power 6 GHz operations, are becoming increasingly important for ecosystem vendors. The strengths of these partnerships will ultimately determine a vendor's ability to deliver end-to-end solutions to their clients, and thus will become a strong vendor differentiator going forward.
Thanks so much, Andrew. For a deeper dive into our full AN 5434 report, Next Generation Industrial Wireless LAN in OT Environments, visit abiresearch.com.